Welcome to Flipped Lesson 17 for the 5th grade. Today we're going to continue looking at multiplying and understand the relationship between repeated addition and multiplication. Start by looking at our problem up on the board or on your screen, and you see that a man sold tickets for the show at $15 a piece. If Johnny needed 6 tickets, how much did he spend? There's really two ways we can go about solving this. We can use addition and understand that if Johnny needs 16 tickets, we would need 6 tickets at the price of $15 a piece. Now, of course, looking at that, we could take the time and group this and know that this is 30, and this is 30, and this is 30, and then we can group that to 60. Then these two, of course, would be 90. And so we understand very clearly that 6 15s equals $90. But of course, we can take simpler steps by turning this into a multiplication problem, understanding that $15 times 6 tickets will also get us the same solution, because 6 times 5 is 30, 0 goes down, 3 goes up, 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 equals 9, and so we have the same answer to this question. Once using repeated addition, once using multiplication, and we see how they are working together. We want to continue looking at this idea and really get a good understanding of how multiplication can better serve us in a problem like this. Our next problem says, if brownies sell for 75 cents a piece, how much would a plate of 8 brownies cost? And so if it's 75 cents for 1, and we want to buy a plate that has 8 on, we have a simple problem like this. And so we start by taking the 8 and multiplying by 5, which gives us 40. And so we're going to put that 4 up. 8 times 7 now is going to give us 56, plus the 4 is going to give us a 0 here and a 60. And then because we had a decimal here and we're dealing with money, we see 2 place values there, so we need to put 2 here. And so we have our decimal, and we got to throw in that money sign, and so it would be $6 for 8 brownies. And so we're starting to see how multiplication can serve us much faster than rather than adding up 75 8 times. And so we have this idea. Of course, multiplication goes right down into the nit and pick of it, and we can just throw problems out there and we can start multiplying and understanding why 29 times 4 is the same as 29 plus 29 plus 29 plus 29. But of course, this is much faster to do it this way. And so we're going to take 4, we're going to multiply by 9. That's going to give us 6 down here, 3 up here, 36. Carry that 3. 4 times 2 gives us 8, plus 3 is going to give us 11. And so we have these basic principles and these basic patterns that we follow when it comes to multiplication. And we want to continue using these patterns as we work with our numbers in our different sets of problems. Then, today I'm going to leave you with 2 nice sample problems. A little bit more work on your part, but it'll help us understand the multiplication process as we go through this tomorrow. So go ahead and solve these problems, and we'll talk about these lessons when we go through Flipped Lesson 17.